what's going on?
Today I'm going to school.
Yeah, and who's excited?
Me.
You're so excited.
But who's going to carry pill and news?
Me. Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, it's back to that routine again. Free paper bun, as Jamaicans would say. I am up and getting Tella ready to head out for school right now. Sarah is still sleeping. However, I need to make some green juice real quick so that way I can have some energy for the road, because I am heading straight to the post office to pick up a package that's been there for me for a few days now, and I need to go and get it like yesterday. So I'm going to the post office to pick that up, and then I'll head back home. So right now I'm gonna make some green juice and get Sarah dressed and then head out to drop Tyler to school and to head to the post office. So hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and have a blessed and productive day no matter what comes your way. Have a good day.
I love you.
I love you too. All right, green juice done. Sarah's in my bed now. I need to go and pick her up and get going on this road.
Yes,
Look who is sleeping. Look who is sleeping in my bed. Look who is sleeping in my bed. Get out my bed. Get out my bed. Get out. Are you smiling? Get out my bed. Look at her. Get out my bed. Wakey, wakey. What's her face?
Wake up, Sarah. Wake up.
Yay! Oh, it's awake. Oh, it's awake. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, let's change that diaper. Okay, we're ready. My baby's all ready. Tell Faith, see you later. Look at Sarah. You ready, Mama? You ready? Look at your face. You ready? Alright, let's go. You passy here. Sarah. Streets is cold. The mornings are super cold and the evenings are cold, but in the day when the sun is out, it's not so bad. So right now it's freezing. Let me see your face. You guys, we are back from the post office and I got my package, and Sarah is gonna love it. What is this? Who's that? That's yours. Oh, that's yours. Oh, don't bite it. Wait. Let's cut it out of the package first and see what it does. So my mom sent.
Hi there. My name's Minnie. Would you like to crawl with me? Hooray! Let's go!
Ah! Ah! It moves, Sarah. Wait. Let me figure out how to get this out of the box because this is gonna be fun. Princess gonna love this one. Okay, let's go figure this out. Princess, let Mama cut out your Mickey. Is Mickey or is Minnie? The girl is Minnie, I think. Let me see what's written on the box. It's Minnie. It's Minnie. Okay. She's out. Princess, she's out, and there's an on and off button under here.
So sweet.
Let's close her up.
Hi there. My name's Minnie. Would you like to crawl with me?
Sarah, look. Minnie can crawl.
Let's go.
Look. She likes it. You like Sarah? I have to catch your reaction to show mommy. Sarah, look. You like Sarah?
Good job. Can you catch me?
She said to touch her. Oh.
Oh, isn't fun? Follow me.
Minnie's right in front of you. And that's breakfast for today. Yummy, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Sarah down here with her Minnie. Oh, I'm hungry. What you doing, girl? You want some of mama breakfast? Hmm? Yeah? No? What you doing? You just gonna look at me? You just gonna look at me? You just gonna look at me? You're so cute. You guys, it's breakfast time. And I'm having plantains and eggs. And I did a lot of walking this morning, so I don't think I'm gonna work out this morning. I think I'm gonna just do some weights later and call it a day for today. But let's see what I can accomplish throughout today's day. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Sarah and I got a well-needed nap. Well-needed nap. Now that Tyler is at school, I just have her alone to attend it, so it makes a world of difference. I'm up and I'm having some of the leftover beef from yesterday for lunch today, and it is so good, you guys. The wraps for dinner last night was so delicious, and I made two and I struggled to eat them off. Babe only had one because it was so filling, so now I'm having some for lunch and I'm just gonna have one wrap. So this is how we made it last night. We put the This is how we made it last. We'll put the meat first and then we just add the assorted veggies on the top. And this is just some salad that left over from yesterday. I'm just adding it on there. Look at that. That's a lot. And I'm just gonna eat this because I'm not gonna leave this salad over. But yeah, that's lunch. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for lunch today. I like to get in your business. Look at that food mouth. Look at that. Stop blowing bubbles. Why are you doing that? Come. No more? Okay. There we go. You're a mess. Fruit, banana, good girl, good girl. Oh yes, oh yes, you likey. Look who is awake. Look who is awake. As Mama finished cooking, look who is awake. Look who is awake. Hello. Hi. You looking at the Christmas tree? Hi. 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 Hi, princess. Hello, princess. See a baby here? Baby? Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty girl. You're awake? You had a good little nap? Yeah? You're happy about that? Yes? Your brother took me a Christmas outfit this morning and said, Mama, put her in her Santa Claus outfit. Hi. Hi. Now Mama finished doing all that she have to do. I just need to work. Okay? Okay? Right? Okay, you guys, let me show you guys dinner. So there goes the turkey right there. Vegetables finished. Ooh, veggies finished cooking for soup, and quinoa finished steaming over here. Okay, so my job here is done. Voila, spicy turkey, vegetable soup, and quinoa. Look who is home. Who is home?
Hello.
You're playing with sister. Look at these two. Tell her annoy the hell out of you, right? Yes. Tell brother, leave me alone. What brother doing to you? What is brother doing to you? Huh? What is he doing? Say, brother, leave me alone, you know. Leave me alone, you know. Brother not leaving you alone. You like it. You love it.
Hi guys, good Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back from work and I'm tired, but have to do one thing. I didn't do it yesterday. I didn't do it the day before. I can't miss another day, so I am ready to go to run a little bit. Yes, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're having a good day. Baby's here beside me taking care of the kids, so I'll be able to go to run and nobody gonna disturb me.
Papa?
Yes, Tyler?
Did you do the card?
You don't go to school on Thursday?
No.
Why?
Parce que je sais pas.
Oh, there's a big strike at school.
Ooh.
But everywhere there's no buses, there's no tramway, school are closed, so there's strike everywhere in France. Okay?
So it's not just your school alone.
It's every school are closed. Okay? So you're gonna stay home and you're gonna do classes with mama. Alright?
What classing?
Is mama gonna teach you things? Alright guys. See you guys soon.
Why you looking behind you? Run, man. Stand tall. Come on. You can do it. You look good though, babe.
That's right.
Keep it up. How you feel?
I'm okay, I just be careful about my legs.
You on a hill?
No,
Okay.
I'm flat.
Alright. We're cheering you on.
Thank you.
Well done.